Welcome back to the channel, guys. Steve here, going over Turo, your rental car fleet, whatever. We're going over it. See this? This is ridiculous. 4th of July. You guys want to be in rental cars? This is what you want, huh? Here you go. Just remember, holidays, that don't mean nothing anymore. You're gonna be just like, I can't even compare to law enforcement and military because they got a whole nother fish to fry. But this is what's going on. I got 6 cars coming back today, and yeah, it's fun. You know, got the old Will Smith thing. Should have been at a barbecue. But no, I'm all here wiping you down. I'm getting text messages, cleaning cars, and it's only 94. Actually, it's not bad. 94 for Arizona. Oh, look at that. Just got a car coming back in. Hold it, we'll get back to you. Alright, so like you saw that alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, the car's coming back. Actually worked out good. He just, sadly, he didn't extend his trip soon enough, so the car booked. He had to bring the car back. We had to do a swap. Luckily I had a car, and I will say, I'm not gonna lie, I was stressing a little bit because like I said, I had 6 cars. Now my renter can't figure out where he's going. We're going, bro! So I had 6 cars coming back, and I had no bookings. Now once again, like I said, I had I snoozed cars. I did all kinds of weird stuff that kind of screwed it up for my searchability, but we got it all situated, and then all of a sudden I went from 6 cars coming back to 6 cars coming back, 5 cars leaving, and just a whole cluster. So now it's currently out. I'm supposed to be gone, supposed to be home. Wife's gonna be mad because it's 12:30. But I'm supposed to be heading out. Just go hang out with family and all that, but this is the joys of owning your own business, owning your own fleet. I am doing contactless, but let's face it, I get in a car and I gotta clean it, right? I can't send this off. I know it's not, I know I'm not in the fancy luxury cars right now, but come on. I'd be a little upset if somebody didn't run a vacuum through this real quick. Me personally, just something. I did wipe down the windows that see it rained out here, or just that it rained just enough to get everything dirty, just to make it a pain. So I wiped everything down, did what I had to, window wise, and now I just go get it vacuumed real quick. I didn't think, honestly, I thought this was gonna be a lot better than it was, a lot better situation than it was, but you know, if you don't prepare for it, then it's Murphy's Law. Whatever can happen will. So I do have to go run to the car wash and use their free vacuums because I didn't bring my portable ones. So that's one thing that I got to worry about. But luckily, fireworks aren't for another few hours. Well, like I said, it's only noon, so we got plenty of time. So we'll go hit this up, figure out what we got to do. I already got one car picked up. The Honda Accent got picked up from the airport, and that's the one that the renter swapped into. So what happened was he had my Kia, came back, now he's in the Accent, which is great because now the Accent's gone. And it was funny because now I gotta get the Forte. Actually, that one I do have to run through the wash. It looks pretty bad. I'll run the Forte through the wash, take those pictures, upload that, have my lock boxes set up. Like I said, for this, yeah, I gotta vacuum this thing real quick, take these pictures of the Civic, and just, wow, apparently today's the day to wash cars. So what's up with this? Come on, guys, come on. Acts like y'all got nothing to do on the 4th of July. So that's pretty much what's going on with me right now. I'm gonna clean this thing out real quick, and then I will, we'll get right back to it in a second. But right now, I gotta get busy again. We're back. Try and get out of here before this truck does. Low rider, get it, get it. Hey, it's not that bad. It's only 95 here, but I will tell you, holy cow. Tsunami season. Monsoon, not tsunami. Not tsunamis out here in Arizona. No, monsoon seasons. It's definitely what we got. And traffic. Jesus Christ, what's up with the traffic? It's almost like y'all doing something today. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on. Jumping out in traffic. Get it, get it, get it. Day in the life. Now, it's not always like this. So I do have, like I said, I got the 6 cars. I'm blocking my face. How you like me now? So I got the 6 cars, and it's not always like this. Honestly, I think it's just kind of one of those things. You know how it is. When you have plans, there's stuff that happens. And that's kind of what's going on here. So, luckily, I do this one.
Driver seatbelt.
Uh-oh, she's yelling at me. Good thing I'm right down the street. Guys, kids, drive safe. Always buckle up, it's the law. Where's I at? Back to, I'm flipping everything, got everything going. Luckily, I got everything contactless. So, I got my Mazda 6. He's actually coming back a little bit early, which is fine. It's 2 days early. I'm not mad about it. He's had the car for a little over a month, so whatever, get it. The Mazda will probably sit for a little bit. I gotta look at it and definitely do a really good once over on it. Make sure before I send it back out, since I haven't seen it for the past month and a half. But it's just holidays, man. These holidays really, you got a lot of movement. We're right next to the airport. Oh, there's a plane going right there. Right next to an airport, so of course you got a lot of flights coming in and out. People are trying to get back home for, you know, the work week. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna drop off the Focus here. Nope, Focus. silly guy. I'm in the Civic. The Honda. Whoop. Out of sport mode. Put it in reverse, not neutral. I will get this thing all pictured up and ready for its next trip, and then I gotta jump on the Forte. We'll see how that one goes. Hopefully it's a little smoother now that it's here. We got everything all going. Keep talking to you guys. Uh-oh. So we got this. Clean this up. What you got going on? Don't worry, little guy. Don't worry, little guy. You're okay. You're okay. So, all over the place. So here we go. Got the Civic, Forte. I gotta do pictures of both, so we will catch you back in a second. All right, so here we go. We're in the Forte. I got the pictures done of the Civic. That thing's ready to roll, rock and roll. Forte's just checked in. Oh, you know what? Let's do the miles. Miles. How many miles are we at? 902. Drove 500. Holy smokes, bro! Crazy. The fuel's full. Next, done. We are set. And we are off. We're off again. So we're heading down to go get this thing freshly cleaned up. Get this thing vacuumed. It's not bad. It just needs a little freshen up. That's all. That's all. You know what? We're gonna go this way. I haven't been down this way. I kind of want to check it out. I know there's offices right down the street. I'm thinking I might be able to buy some of them. Not rent them out, buy them. Well, buy them, then rent them out. That's kind of my thoughts. I think that could be a pretty solid thing right here next to the airport. Yeah, always thinking what's the next move. Obviously cars aren't going to be it forever, right? At least for me. But location. I know I'm bouncing all over the place. Auto body shop right here, mechanic shop where I park my cars. Figure out where you guys need to be. What works for you guys? Because it's not, let's face it, it's a matter of not if but when you're gonna need to get a hold of each one of those guys. So figure out where you guys are at, and then car wash and gas station right here down the street. So that part's nice too. I did get rid of the memberships because honestly some of these cars, they're on the road too much. They're on the road, so it's pointless for me to pay, you know, 15 bucks a car wash when I'm only doing it once or twice a month. So figure out what your expenses are that way too. Figure out, you know, what you guys need to do. That's kind of where I'm at with it. I'm all over the place. Got my bag here. Got my bag. Oh, somebody's pulling out. We're gonna go this way. They weren't looking. They weren't looking. I wasn't looking. Somebody wasn't looking. Nah, I'm just kidding. I saw them, so I know we're good. Anyhow, figure out what you guys need to do there. That's definitely what I'm doing. Like I said, it's a busy day. I got this car, and then we can just chill. At that point, now I just need to be worried about what's going on for just staying in contact with these people. Look at that. Trying to catch me, trying to sell. That's right. Out here hustling, grinding just like we are. It's warm. This is the easy part. I'll let you guys enjoy the car wash as if you've never been through one before. All right. Just enough time. I'm not a singer by any means. There you go. There's my rundown. That's what I got. Let's move. Now if you're set up at home, this can do extremely well for you. Or if you just simply have an office, right? An office where everything is right here. Now you're not running around doing what I'm doing, right? That's the last thing you want to do. You run around like crazy with your head cut off, a chicken with your head cut off, that whole, yeah. So holy crap, it's already 1 o'clock. Yeah, get it. So that's it. You guys want to do this? It's gonna be fun. It's not all rainbows and butterflies. Like I said, it's passive, it's semi-passive, it's not really passive. Depends on how much you want to put into it. Me, I got the 6 cars. Actually, I might have 9 come the end of the month, just out of random fluke. So we will see, like, just cars just kind of falling into my hands. But we will see what happens there. I think it could do really well. Remember, the more cars that you have, the less passive this is going to be. It's going to be gnarly. It can be pretty eventful. And just think, I haven't even had any, knock on wood, any damages or anything like that. So I'm pretty fortunate so far. But as far as, I probably could have got help today, but at the same time, wife's at home taking care of the little ladies. And so, you know, why? This is my gig. It's my job, my responsibility. It's my why. So figure out your why. And I know I'm kind of all over the place, but figure it out. It can do good for you guys. Now, at this point, I'm gonna cut it right there. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, yada yada. I'm gonna do my pictures of this car. Actually, I'm gonna do my pictures of this car and get it ready for the next rental that pops up here within the next couple hours. Later, y'all.